All right, so let's take a look at this Hudson roller shade motor for 1.5-inch tube. This kit comes with a 3-inch fascia package. You could also get it with the 4-inch. Now, it didn't come in a really fancy box, kind of like a generic box. So this is the specs right there. All right, so this is the battery operated. So you have your USB port. It's not just a regular USB-C. You need to use their charger. You have a little LED light there for programming and things, and you have your little button inside, which you stick a little paper clip or something like that in there to do programming. All right. So I already have some of my shades that were done before, so I decided to add another motor to one of my bigger shades. So this one is the 3-inch. You have your left and your right. You gotta measure, how deep you need it. This is a little 90-degree cable adapter for the power supply. I already came with one when I bought the other shades. I already have one of these, but I needed the remote because this is a separate area. I only open it once in a blue moon. I believe you could get also just the motor by itself. Comes with a little sticky magnets, which are very strong. So you could put it somewhere with metal, or you could put the double-sided tape here and stick it somewhere next to a switch or anything like that. You have your remote control. This one looks like it's a single location. The other ones that I have for different modes. You could open it up. You have your battery. There's a little part of the programming button right there. And it comes with a little screw. So once you're done doing everything, you're pretty much good to go. So I'm gonna replace. Just have a little manual here for the remote. The only thing that's missing is the manual for programming this to this. So I already linked it. I went online and checked it out, and it does give you a couple little settings right here, but it doesn't tell you anything about the motor. And you could buy the hub if you want to. There's 2 types of hubs, so you could use with Alexa and Google, things of that nature, if you want to do that. Set them up automatically. So let's go ahead and install it and see how it looks. All right, so this is the shade that I have with a 1.5-inch tube, and it's manual. So we're gonna remove it, remove the cover, take it out, insert the motor, get rid of the little chain, and program. All right, so let's go ahead and take this cover off. All right, so once you have it ready here on the table, I'm gonna remove the mechanical option here, put that aside. We're not gonna use that anymore. And there's a slot right here and one here. You're gonna need to find it and align it properly. And you're gonna do the same thing with the end right here. This one spins, so you're gonna find the correct location for the slot. Push it in, and you're pretty much good to go. Actually, I do have to replace it because the center part for the manual is bigger than the center part for the one with the motor. So I'm just gonna replace one side. The other one's pretty much the same. All right, so let's go ahead and install it. Make sure that you have access to the USB plug. All right, so don't forget to put the little tiny screw in the remote. And if you need to open the cover, there's a little slot right there. You can do it with your nails, very soft. And we're pretty much ready for installing it on the wall. And I'm going to be using the double-sided tape. All right, so let's go ahead and install on the wall. Remove the annoying little tape. and do the best you can to align it. Perfect. All right, all done. So let's see how it works. Press it down, and voila. And you could also change the speed of the motor. Right now it's faster. You could go slower if you want to. Perfect.